Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 423rd episode and the final episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2020. Thank you, my friends, for joining me in my Thanksgiving series. Hope y'all enjoyed my yummy and mouth-watering Thanksgiving side dishes and dessert recipes. Now we're on to a new series. Stay tuned. Can you believe Thanksgiving is 1 week from today? Oh my goodness, it's upon us. Well, to end my Thanksgiving series, I got another great bread recipe to share with all of you. We're going to make a sweetened condensed milk bread. That's right, sugar. We're going to make a bread using sweetened condensed milk. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it is so super soft and fluffy, it just melts in your mouth. If you're looking for a different type of bread to make for your Thanksgiving dinner, y'all going to love and enjoy this. Everybody will go crazy over this bread. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other bread recipes, my Thanksgiving recipes playlist, and my previous video, cranberry custard pie. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your yeast, and your sweetened condensed milk sugar, because we're about to bake some sweetened condensed milk bread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Going to whisk these until they're well incorporated. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of evaporated milk that I let come to room temperature, and I add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 extra large egg at room temperature, 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast, and last but not least, the star of the show, 1/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk. And we're going to mix all these together on medium speed until they're well incorporated. Alright, now we're going to slowly add the flour mixture. Continue mixing until they're well incorporated. Now we're going to add in a 1/2 stick, which is 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that let come to room temperature. Mix this in until they're well combined. And as soon as I get the butter mixed in, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing the butter in. So now I place my dough onto a flour surface. And we're going to knead it a few times. Now we're ready to put it into the bowl. And I just placed my dough in the same bowl and I lightly greased it with cooking spray. So now we're going to cover it. You can use plastic wrap or a kitchen towel. And we're going to set it in a warm place in your microwave or in the oven. We're going to let it proof until it doubles in size for about 1 hour. Alright, my friends, the dough has risen. So now we're going to punch a hole in the middle. to release the air. So now I have placed my dough on the flour surface. Going to stretch it. So now we're going to divide it in half. Going to make 2 breads. Going to add some more flour. So we're going to knead it. Stretch it. And using my rolling pin, we're going to roll it to about a 1/2 inch thick. So now we're going to roll this tightly. Going to seal the edges real tight. So using my cutter, we're going to cut this to about 7 rows. So now we're going to put the bread in a greased loaf pan. So now it's going for a second rise. We're going to cover it, going to let it proof, and put it in a warm place until it doubles in size for about 45 minutes. Alright my friends, this is what the bread looks like after a double proofing. So over here in my bowl, I have 1 extra large egg and 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk, and I stir them until they're well incorporated, made an egg wash. And we're going to brush it on the bread. Give it a nice golden brown color when it comes out the oven. I love the smell of yeast. Alright, now we're ready to put these in the oven. We're going to put them in a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 20 to 22 minutes. I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of freshly baked bread. I have taken them out of the oven and I let them cool a little bit on the wire rack. Now we're going to brush it with a glaze. I have 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk and 3 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, and I stir them together until they're well incorporated. Perfect. Time to give them some sugar. This looks so good. Alright my friends, there you have it. Sweetened condensed milk bread. Don't that look delicious? And look at the glaze on it. My mouth's watering. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Look how soft and tender this is. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. And I'm going to add a little bit more condensed milk glaze on it. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Light and airy. I love the sweetened condensed milk glaze on it. This is awesome, my friends. If y'all love sweetened condensed milk and bread, y'all gonna love this. This is scrumptious. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Sweetened condensed milk bread delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving.